to end this introduction to Python, we're going to take a little text and we're going to shuffle around the words. So I prepared a little text here, which I put into the variable called myText. So myText equals this little text here, which is a poem by Brian Gysin. Now, I want to split this text into its words. So there's a function for that called split. So I type myText dot split, and what I get is a list. Note the square brackets in the beginning and the end. A list with individual words. Okay. Now I want to put this into another variable. Let's say text list equals my text split into individual words. So text list is my list of words. Now, to shuffle these words around, we need some kind of random generator. And random generators are in other modules of Python. Until now, we've just been using basic Python, but you have different modules, like you have modules for maths, you have modules for showing pictures, you have modules for deep learning, whatever. Right now, we just need a simple module called random. So we import the module random. Here we go. Now, to call a function from this module, because a module is just a list of functions, like it would be a list of max objects. To call one of these functions, we type random, the name of the module we just loaded, and we call the function of that module. In this case, we want shuffle. Shuffle because we want to shuffle around the list of words in my variable called text list. Okay, so we call the function shuffle from the module random. And let's look at our text list. Indeed, the order of the words has changed. Let's do it once more. Arrow up again. Different again. So every time we run this function, shuffle, on text list, it shuffles the words around. Now this is a bit hard to read, so we want to join all these separate words together back into normal text. So what we do now is we call the function join on an empty space, and you'll see in a moment why. Here we go. Now we have our text as one single sentence without all the commas and quotes around it. So why the space? The space is the separator of each of these individual words. So if I would call this function not with a space, but with, whoops, but with a star, instead of spaces, we'd have stars, okay? Here we go. So now what we need to do is to take these different functions